dear Persian learners, today's idiom is one of my favorites. You are not even such and such person's pinky or little finger. تو انگشت کوچیکه فلانی هم نمیشی. So, do you want to know what this idiom means? Okay, let me show you how it works. What are you listening to? Definitely, I am better than Shajarian. Come on, listen to this. Del 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 delekon, del 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 delekon. You are not even Shajarian's pinky, عزیزم. تو انگشت کوچیکه شجریان هم نمیشی. چی داری میگی واسه خودت؟ با من سنما دل یک دل کن. گرسم ننهم وانگه گله کن با من سنما دل یک دل کن. So here is the deal. This phrase is used when someone tries to compare themselves with someone that is truly amazing, like legendary Humayun Shajarian, and then they fail miserably. When someone really messes up, you can use this idiom to let that person know that they are nowhere near that level. It is like saying in English, you are not even in the same league. So imagine you are trying to dance like Michael Jackson and you end up looking like that. So you can say تو انگشت کوچیکه مایکل جکسون هم نمیشی. You are not even Michael Jackson's pinky. It works for anything you are comparing. So now in the comments tell me who you are not even pinky of. And if you enjoyed this video, please push the like button. So, see you next time and خدا حافظ.